Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Roblox trading and inventory private on mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to hide your trading and inventory from everyone, so you can enjoy more privacy and control over your Roblox experience. Let's get started. First, unlock your device and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open the menu. Now, in the menu that pops up, scroll down until you find the option called Settings. Tap on Settings to access your account preferences. This is where you can control who sees what on your profile. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap on it to open up your privacy settings. Here, you'll see a variety of options to customize your Roblox experience and keep your information safe. Scroll until you find the option called Trading and Inventory. This is the section that controls who can view your trades and what's in your inventory. Tap on Trading and Inventory to see your sharing options. You'll notice a few different choices, like Everyone, Friends, or No One. To make sure your trading and inventory are completely hidden from everyone, select No One. This will prevent anyone from seeing your trades or checking out your inventory, giving you total privacy. And that's it. You've just hidden your trading and inventory from everyone on Roblox Mobile. Now, you can enjoy trading and collecting items without worrying about unwanted attention or prying eyes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.